Hello friends, my name is Kate. I'm a wellness and yoga practitioner and I would love to share my newest wellness discovery with you. I have just received the latest model of Aura Sleep Mask and let me tell you, whether you're experienced in wellness field or just want to improve quality of your sleep, I hope you will find this video helpful. So let's dive right in. So let's take a look at the packaging first. I'm really amazed by its clean, minimalistic design. And at the back of the box, we can see the main features, which are 100% blackout, light therapy, soundscape, amazingly eyelash friendly, which is really great for us ladies if we want to keep our makeup on. And there is also a QR code for downloading the Aura Dreamscape app. So now let's open up the box and see what's inside. So beautiful. I'm really a big fan of minimalistic design, and that's exactly what I see here. Embrace the night, empower your light. There's some more interesting information. This version of a mask comes in a beautiful black color. The material of our mask is super soft and gives this really warm and cozy feeling. Okay, I see here very neatly and nicely placed charging cable, the laundry box for the hug cushion, user guide. There's also a magnetic cushion inside the mask that gives that extra softness while wearing it. I also really like this soft adjustable strap with anti-slip design so that I can also choose to wear it lightly or go for a full blackout. So inside there is a built-in speaker for guided meditations and also a built-in light for the sunlight experience. Let's press this hidden button and find the mask in my Bluetooth settings on my phone. Oh, welcome to Aura. I've already installed the app previously. Here you can see. So I just open it. So here is how it looks like. I just need to connect the mask with my Bluetooth. Then I'm going to activate it through the app. For example, I'm choosing this Dreamscape experience, press start, then activate the device. And now I just need to press the hidden button on the mask. So now we can start our guided breath work.
Welcome to Aura, your space to be fully present.
Wonderful. Let's get back to the main menu. Then there is also this mood check-in function, which I think is super cute. I can check my mood progress over time in diary. Aura also considered to have a tailored playlist, so you don't have to take off the mask to put the next track on. So I can create my own playlist. So I'm just choosing a few tracks, naming it, and it's ready to go. And this is how it looks like. Okay, now let's get back to our mask. I really love this glowy light. You can see how it rises and dims. Also, I want to show you this amazing aroma air. This is how it looks. Then we have to press and crush. And we should put it between the hug cushion and the mask. This is amazing. Wow. So after using Aura mask for a few nights, I really found it amazing, not only for better sleep, but also for improving my meditation and breath work experience, especially with aroma, light, sound therapy. It is a really amazing tool. That's all for now. I hope you find this video useful. I will be happy to hear your feedback. Until next time, bye bye.